So I'm sure you're all wondering, well, I suspect you didn't buy this coffee grinder to grind your favorite Colombian brew. So this review is intended to show you how it works, for why you probably did buy it. Here's your guy. Here's my finest South Cal brew, if you know what I'm saying. It's legal here, no problem with that. I recommend you got to break these things up or they get caught. Oops, let's just take that guy off. You can see we're going to get caught a little bit, and if you try and use this handle here, you're going to get caught doing what I did, which is basically just stuffing it down constantly and not getting a lot of output. So let me just show you here. Not to mention this thing's like a little awkward. Is anything coming out there? No, I didn't think so. Right. So I'm an engineer. This is a 732 drill socket bit, right? 732 inches. I'm going to take this and put my thing down to 1. I have used it on 3, but it gets a little loud. We take this guy. I'm going to put him right on here. Right on here. There we are. All right. Now, work smarter, not harder. Yeah, I mean, not great, right? But this is actually better than I was able to do without my hand, because you just imagine that would have taken a long time. But it looks, if I turned up to 3, all right, let's just do it. Hold on to your butts. You get the idea. Trust me, it's better. Anyway, it does work, but because of the fact that the little things get caught here, I can't recommend it fully. But it does work with some work.
Manually grinding coffee used to come at a physical cost if you did not have the right manual grinder. This manual coffee grinder solved that. I can grind my fresh coffee beans anywhere, quickly, easily, and the results stay consistent once I set it to the specific grain size. It holds up to about 60 grams, so I'm not constantly refilling, and the 40-click grain size settings make it easy to adjust for different brews. It's simple, quiet, and easy to use. There should be a link in this video if you want to check it out for yourself.